Today we're going to talk about one of my absolute favorite accessories that I've added to my 2024 GMC Sierra. And it's this right here, my Tesla Roll Plus Power Tonneau Cover. There are so many reasons why I love this tonneau cover. Here's one right off the top. Obviously, as I mentioned, it's power retractable. Look at this, I can stop it at any time as well. And how about this right here, the nice LED light strip going on back here, which works with the signal lights, works with the brake light, and of course, it works with the four-way hazard lights as well. Now, not only does it work, of course, with the key fob, but it also works with my phone. I can actually close it. Look at that. It's connected via Bluetooth to my phone. Oh, and also check this out. Siri open cover. It also has this cool obstacle alert as well. Check this out. What I like is it also protects what I have in here as well. It's obviously aluminum and it has a knife-proof slats also. Not only that, but it can let you see inside. Check that out. It has a light up inside, and when you open it, it follows along. And then just look how flush it actually sits on here. So you're still getting some of your bed rail, and it just sits on here so nice, as it's made specifically for each model of truck. Needless to say, I absolutely love and would recommend my Tesla Roll Plus tonneau cover.